Jewelleries, welcome back to the channel in a brand new filming location. Can you see? Hello, welcome to the office. I think I mentioned in the last video that I'd made like a little bit of a start in here, but like not a lot being done. But that kicked off just me being fucking obsessed with doing stuff in here, and it's actually starting to really come together. There's still quite a few things that need done. I need to go back to IKEA. My idea of fun used to be like a day at IKEA. Like I used to love that, but oh, ever since this move, I dread it. But I need to go there to get some shelves, so at least it's nothing that needs to be put together. But if you remember, like there'll be a bunch more about the office in a dedicated like video about it. But yeah, if you remember my last video, I like said that I went to go to try to get like the daybed pieces by myself, but then I found the pigeon, there was a whole pigeon rescue, so I couldn't. A couple of days later I got the same itch and I went, and it was a struggle, but I actually did get them by myself and I put the whole thing together by myself, and now that's here, so that's very exciting. We've got a cute little backdrop, and it's also somewhere to stay if people want to come and sleep over, although so far everyone who has ever come to sleep over at my house has just slept in my bed because it's the most comfortable. Anyway, enough of that. We are here today for another Spooky Box Club unboxing. We haven't had one in a while. I'm a little behind, so I'm getting this done. And then I'm doing some other videos after this, hopefully. So let's see, which boxes have we got? We've got box number 86, which is the mysterious jewellery box. And box 87, which is Punk's Not Dead. So that's cute. Okay, so we're gonna start with 86, obviously. Okay, where to start? I'm seeing a lot of cute little boxes. So I'm gonna start with this. This is, what do you say that, quatrefoil earrings? If that whole part was out of focus, I'm sorry. It looks in focus on here, but then you get on the computer and it's not always. The lens on this was set to manual focus instead of auto, and I didn't realize. Anyway, there we go, earrings. Those are cute! Oh, hold on, one's fallen. Oh, I think I'll actually get a lot of wear out of these. These are really, really sweet. How pretty are these? I really actually love those. That is such a cute little design. I think I will wear these a lot. They're quite simple, but still really cute. Very happy with those. Oh my goodness. Okay, next up is this long box, and it says Ascension Bracelet. Oh, it like matches the earrings. Hold on. Oh! How pretty is that? And I don't really have very many bracelets. Like, out of all the jewelry that I have, bracelets just isn't something that I have a lot of, so very happy about that. And it matches. How cute. Okay. Next up we have Dark Portal Necklace. Oh, pretty. Oh, that's really sweet. So if I show it to you like this, well, you can kind of see, but you can't see very well, but then once it's against your skin, there is writing on there, and it says, "When you can't look on the bright side, I will sit with you in the dark." That's really, really sweet, and I do really love like just the detailing on the little frame. Like that's really pretty. I absolutely love that. It's like a really cute little set all together, like all three of those together would be lovely. As you can hear whinging, it's because Sebastian's standing outside the door yelling at me. He has been in a real whingy mood all day. He thinks it's food time. It is nowhere near food time. It was just food time. He can stare there for a minute because otherwise he'll be knocking things over in here. Next up we have something. Oh! So this looks to be like a little portable like travel case for your jewelry. So it has like a bunch of different, like you can put like rings in here and stuff. Different like little slots for different things. That's really cute. That's actually really handy because like I usually just like throw all my jewelry into like one bag when I travel, and then it all ends up a tangled mess somehow. So something like that is really useful. That's cute. It has a little spider. We have a little lollipop for this month's candy. It is vaguely Rastafarian looking. Oh! DIY paint and decorate coffin earring stand. That's really cool. Oh, I can't wait to do something with that actually, because I always need somewhere to put my earrings and I never really know what to do with them, so this is perfect. Yay! And then the last thing is just something very practical, and it is a little jewelry polishing cloth, which I actually really needed something like this recently for something. I can't remember what, but I know I like needed something like this, and now I have one. That's great! There's not a single thing in this box that I don't think I'll get use out of. This was like a really like good one for me personally. So let's make sure we got everything. Custom made Black Widow travel jewelry box, yes. I think pretty much everything is custom made. DIY coffin earring stand, yep. Jewelry polishing cloth, yes. Dark portal necklace, yes. Ascension bracelet, yep. Quatrefoil, hopefully I'm saying it right, earrings, yes. And the candy of the month, yes. So we got everything in this box. So on to the next one, which is Punk's Not Dead. Very cute. So on top there is the candy of the month, which again is a lollipop. I love these colors. I think in like 2011 or something, like this was my whole color scheme. Like I was obsessed with these two together. Like I had the pink and blue dreads, everything I wore I wanted to be pink and blue. Like I was very into this color combination. We have this, which I'm going to set over here for a moment so I don't spoil anything. And then, ooh, okay. I've seen something near the bottom, but we're going to start with the little boxes on top first. So we have Rock and Riot charm earrings. So they're like little pastel purple, pink and yellow earrings that have like little skulls, razor blades and lightning bolts. I don't know what I was expecting. It wasn't these, but these are really cute. I feel like I'll maybe have a hard time styling them, but I would like to because they are just like really fun. So yeah. Next up we have Hellraiser necklace. It's just like a little sort of razor blade type necklace. That's really cute. And I'm always looking for more layering pieces, so... Oh, that's very small. So this is like a little nose stud, but it is tiny. I don't know if that would maybe be like too small realistically for me. Like, in fact, hold on, I'm gonna compare it to one of the ones I have in right now. I'm just gonna like pop one in the bag just so it's next to it so you can see. It's a different style, like these ones are twisty, but yeah, like you can barely see the little spike one. And then there's like the curly one that is which is what I actually wear. It's a really cute idea, but I don't know if like I feel like that spike would literally just go like through the hole in my nose. Like I think it's just way too small, but it's fun. I'm trying to think if I can like even find another use for it. Maybe like a doll or something. If I was like customizing a doll, that would be cute. But I think it is too little for me. Ooh, so this is what I saw at the start that caught my eye. And it's this absolutely fucking massive safety pin. And the reason I was like, ooh, is because I'm actually in the middle of like customizing a jacket right now, and I'm just kind of sticking as much shit to it as possible, like loads of spikes and stuff. So maybe that can be added on. It's fucking huge. I love it. I'm definitely gonna set this aside and see if I can find somewhere to put it on my jacket. Oh, cute little patches. Those are adorable. Oh, I don't know if these would match the vibe of the jacket I'm working on right now. I don't know, they're like a little bit cutesy for what I'm going for, but at the same time they are kind of fun. I don't know. If not, I'll use them on a different jacket, I'm sure, but yeah, cute. And finally, we have skinny skull suspenders. Whoops. And they look like this. I'm doing a great job of this, yeah. So it's just like these little stretchy suspenders. Cute! I really enjoyed that. As I said, I think the only thing, oh well, let me get the little doodad. I think the only thing in that box that I definitely don't see me getting much use out of is the nose stud, because it's just too little, but I still could find some sort of use for it maybe. But it was really fun, and I'm glad that I've found some potential things to add to my jacket. So we got the skinny skull suspenders. Say that 5 times fast. Yes. Punky oversized safety pin, yes. Petite spike nose stud, very petite, yes. Hellraiser necklace, yep. Rebel Tartan heart patches, yep. Rock and Riot charm earrings, yes. And the candy of the month, yes. So we got everything from that box. Yay! Okay, I really enjoyed that. That was fun. So, before any of the usual goodbyes, I guess the most important thing for me to mention is my Patreon, which, as a little update, if I haven't mentioned it already, all of my streams now, after like the stream is over, the videos from those are going to be uploaded for Patreon people only. So that means if you can't join a stream while it's live, you can watch it back later at your own leisure. So if you want to see those when the streams are over, then consider joining Patreon. Also consider joining just because it is a great way to support this channel and it keeps me going. As always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a little thumbs up. If you're new here, consider subscribing and joining the family. And please leave me a little comment down below about anything your little heart desires. What did you think of the boxes? What do you think of the new space? How have you been doing? That kind of thing. So yeah, I do really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, lovelies!